Highland Park is a neighborhood of northeast Los Angeles City. Highland Park is located about 13 minutes, 7.2 miles, northeast of downtown Los Angeles. Highland Park has a total area of 9 square kilometers, 3.4 square miles. Highland Park was one of the first subdivisions of Los Angeles and is inhabited by a variety of ethnic and socioeconomic groups. Highland Park's boundaries are roughly the Arroyo Seco Parkway, California Route 110, on the southeast with Montecito Heights, City of Pasadena on the northeast, City of South Pasadena on the east, Eagle Rock on the north and the west. Highland Park is a public transportation hub which is well connected to Metro light rail and bus services like Metro Bus and Dash Bus. The Los Angeles County Metropolitan Transportation Authority, short for Metro, is a county transportation agency that operates subways, light rail, and the world's largest all-natural gas bus fleet. Dash is operated by LA City Department of Transportation, short for LADOT. Dash is LADOT's system of neighborhood circulator bus services. Dash buses serve to provide localized service in a neighborhood, and for passengers making longer trips, acting as a feeder to the countywide Metro bus and Metro rail system. Angeles Walk LA. Angeles Walk LA is a guidebook that telling the LA story through self-guided historical walking trails. Since 1996, Angeles Walk LA was organized by Metro, City Council offices, multiple city departments, and the Mayor's office. For over 20 years, Angeles Walk LA encouraging visitor take public transportation throughout the greater Los Angeles area. Visitors can download this free guidebook's PDF file to mobile phone or print this guidebook out. Besides this guidebook, there are multiple on-street stanchions along the walk with photos and descriptions the rich, diverse history and discovery of the significant people, architecture, events, and cultural movements that have shaped this great neighborhood. Currently, there are 13 guidebooks: Bunker Hill Historic Core, Union Station, El Pueblo, Little Tokyo, Civic Center, Hollywood, Chinatown, Figueroa Corridor, Wilshire, San Pedro, North Hollywood, NoHo, Highland Park, Crenshaw, East Hollywood, Silver Lake, Boyle Heights, and Central Avenue. Highland Park Metro Station. Highland Park Metro Station is the tourist attraction number 1 in Angeles Walk Highland Park. Highland Park Metro Station is an at-grade light rail station on the Gold Line of the Los Angeles Metro Rail System. Station is located at the intersection of North Avenue 57 at Marmion Way and 1 block to Figueroa shopping area. The station opened on July 26, 2003. The station features a public art stone tree inverted post, bound water light, created by artist Judd Fine.